Hello, my people. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm your host, and today we have a story that's shaking social media, catching attention across Nigeria, West Africa, and the diaspora. You don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of these updates. Trust me, you want to stay tuned. Now let's talk about the headline that's trending everywhere. Breaking news, Kanu reclaims freedom, Supreme Court ends FG's grip today. Everybody is talking about it. People are sharing videos, posting messages, and trying to understand what exactly is happening. But before we jump into the excitement, let's make sure we're getting it clear. We're going to tell the story straight in a way you can follow and enjoy without any confusion. First, some context is very important. Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. This is a group that has been in the news for years, pushing for greater autonomy for the southeastern region of Nigeria. His story is complicated, it has many twists and turns, and he's been a figure in both politics and law, always making headlines. In 2015, he was arrested, later released on bail. Then he left the country and was rearrested in 2021. Since then, he has faced serious charges, including terrorism and other offenses. And in late 2025, a Nigerian federal court sentenced him to life imprisonment. So his story is already full of tension, legal battles, and public interest. Now here comes the social media storm. People are claiming that the Supreme Court has stepped in and freed him, ending the federal government's control over the case. Videos are everywhere with titles like Supreme Court humiliates FG and Kanu is free today. Naturally, that grabs attention. People get excited and everyone wants to know if it's true. And yes, I know you're probably thinking, has it really happened? That's the question we all have. Here's the thing, reports like this spread super fast online, but not all of them are verified. Some are just social media, excitement rumors, or people interpreting partial news. We always want to get the facts straight because this story is serious. If something like this is reported wrongly, it can cause confusion, panic, or unnecessary arguments. So, we need to look at what is really confirmed and what is trending as speculation. But let's talk about what makes this story so big. Kanu's legal battles have been followed by millions, not just in Nigeria, but around Africa and the world. People watch closely because it touches on questions of justice, rule of law, and freedom of speech. It also gets people talking about how governments handle dissent, how courts operate, and how leaders of movements are treated. These are big topics, but we're going to break them down so everyone can follow. If you enjoy this kind of analysis, remember to hit like and subscribe because there's more coming. Now, legally speaking, this case is not simple. The Nigerian Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. It handles appeals from lower courts and decisions that affect the entire nation. When a case reaches the Supreme Court, it goes through multiple reviews and the judges examine everything carefully. So, if there was a real ruling freeing Kanu, it would take official announcements, verified reports, and confirmation from credible news outlets. As of right now, the excitement online is mostly social media buzz. That doesn't mean it's false. It just means we have to wait for official confirmation, and that's okay. We can enjoy the discussion, the debate, and the possibilities while staying grounded in facts. Don't forget, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe because this story is ongoing and will update as it develops. Let's also consider the reactions. Social media is full of people celebrating, some people criticizing, others making jokes, and many analyzing what this could mean for Nigeria and the region. If Kanu were actually freed, it could change the political conversation, affect IPOB's activity, and influence public opinion on autonomy movements. It also sparks debates about governance, justice, and the balance between security and civil rights. People everywhere are watching, and naturally, viewers like you want to understand what all this really means. I want you to be part of this conversation, so leave your thoughts in the comments, and we'll feature them in our next video. Now, some of you may be wondering, what does this mean for everyday people? Well, stories like this are about more than just one man or one court case. They show us how justice works, how the law can be challenged, and how movements gain attention. It reminds us to stay informed, just think critically, and be careful about what we share online. This is why professional news channels always cross-check reports, verify facts, and give context before announcing anything, and that's exactly what we're doing here. If you're enjoying this straight talk news, make sure to hit like again and subscribe to keep supporting this channel. Now let's imagine the scenario if the news is true. A Supreme Court decision freeing Kanu would make international headlines, draw attention from governments, and trigger political conversations across Africa. Leaders would respond, analysts would discuss, and people would debate the implications for law, security, and politics. Even here in South Africa, many viewers are interested because it's about governance, rule of law, and how legal systems handle high-profile cases. These topics affect all of us, directly or indirectly, and that's why following verified updates is key. Remember, click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends because everyone should be informed about what's happening. Finally, let's keep it simple. The story is big, exciting, and trending. Social media is buzzing, people are sharing, but as responsible viewers, we stay grounded. We follow verified news, we think critically, and we discuss intelligently. Kanu's case is ongoing. The Supreme Court could rule at any moment, and when that happens, we'll bring you the updates right here. Until then, enjoy the discussion, stay informed, and keep talking about it with your friends. And don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when the next update drops. This story is more than just headlines. It's about law, politics, society, and staying informed. And we're here to bring it to you in a clear, simple, and interesting way. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for engaging, and thank you for supporting the channel. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep following the facts.